Recently, I've been obsessed with keyboards, but I have a lot of membrane ones and no mechanical keyboards. Then I remembered that I have a 3D printer. Then I started modeling a switch that should fit in the membrane keyboard and be able to put a mechanical keycap on it. It works by going in the place where the key normally would be, and then when you click on it, it sends a signal to the keyboard, which sends it to the computer. First, take off any key of your keyboard. Then put the switch where the key goes, and then you can put a mechanical key in the keyboard, and it even makes it quieter. If you want to download the model and print it for yourself, be sure to check out my printables page.